Hi everyone, and welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, welcome. So first of all, I just want to say thank you to LA Colors for sponsoring this video. So today I'm going to be creating some really beautiful high-end looking Dollar Tree DIYs for you. Now these will go great on any lady's vanity. So if you want to see how I put these together, please keep watching. I am so excited to show you what I've come up with. Before I get started, I just want to kind of show you some of LA Colors gift sets that you can give out this holiday season, keep for yourself or give out as gifts. I'm actually using one of the gift sets that has the eyeshadow palette, the eyeliner, some blush and lipstick, and I'll be showing it to you in just a bit. You can find these holiday gift sets at Dollar General, Family Dollar, and Big Lots, and several other stores. I'll go ahead and list all the different stores that you can find these holiday gift sets, and I'll put it down below in the description box. I don't do too many sponsored videos. I only do them when I really believe in a product, and I really do believe in LA Colors because I use most of their eye palettes. I do. And there is a little trick that I learned in how to apply eyeshadow, and I'll share it with you in just a bit. What I'm wearing right now is one of the gift sets, and I'll go ahead and show it to you right now. So let's go ahead and get started. The makeup that I'm actually wearing is from this gift set right here, and this is the LA Colors Beauty Book. Now, I am absolutely loving the little eyeshadow palette. That is what I have on my eyes right now. So I'll go ahead and zoom you in a little bit closer so that you can see it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is what it looks like. Let me bring it to you up close. This holiday gift set is called Into the Nudes, and it has a 20-piece eye, lip, and nail kit. And I'm absolutely loving the eyeshadow palette in this holiday gift set. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'm using on my eyes. I really am enjoying these little palettes. These you can only get for $1 individually, or the gift sets, they run from $3 to $5. That is really nicely priced because they have packaged everything together to give out as holiday gifts. And they have everything. They have the eyeliner, the lipstick, the blush, the eyeshadow. It's all together. These gift sets are really nice. I'm gonna swatch the colors that I actually have on my eyes right now. This is the base color that I used on my eyes. So I'm gonna go take my finger. This is my secret. I love to use my fingers to apply eyeshadow. I know, I should be using the brushes, but I find it faster and easier just to use my fingertips. I'm serious. That is how I apply my eyeshadows. That's my little secret that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm using. I wanted you to see it up close. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the color that I used as my base color. And it was this one right here. So there I have it on my fingers, you can see. And so this is what I used as my base. And then for my crease, I use this lighter mauve pink color. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one for you. Okay, so this was my crease color. So that's my base and this is my crease. And this one here I used on my lid. This is more like a cranberry color. That's what I would call it. It doesn't have a name. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one for you. I really love this color here. See how it looks on your finger? It really picks up well, as you can see. Using your fingers is amazing because you can really pick up the color really well. So I'm gonna swatch it now right here. And this is what I used on my lid. See, with one swatch and you have a really nice color. And then I use this one for the outer corner, and this is more like a mocha color. So I'll go ahead and swatch this one for you. As you can see, the color is nice and rich. Look at that. This is a nice, pretty mocha brown color. And then for the center of my lids, I used this light champagne pink color. It has a really pretty pink champagne color. There you go. So here are the swatches of all the colors that I'm using on my eyes. So this is a little eye palette that comes in the holiday gift set. Now I'm also gonna swatch the lipstick because I'm absolutely loving it. I'm wearing it. It's very soft and supple to my lips. It feels really nice. I have to tell you, the lipstick feels nice and soft on my lips. It's not drying, it's very moist. So let me go ahead and swatch the lipstick for you. So I just want to show you the lipstick up close. Loving this color right here. And here are all the swatches on my hand. So I'm just going to show you really quickly the rest of the holiday gift sets that you can find in these stores. This is a really nice holiday gift set. This has a 5-piece lip shine sparkling lip glosses. I actually tried one of them and I really liked it because it really keeps your lips nice and moist. But the other 4, I'm gonna put them in a really nice DIY that I've put together that I'm gonna give out as a gift. So that's why I only tried one of them and the rest I did not. But this is a really nice gift set right here. The other item that I used is one of the mascaras from this gift set here. There's different types of mascaras in this set, which I really did like. It has the Bold, the Volume, the Big, the Wowie, and the Drama Lash. These are so nice because you can use these as stocking stuffers, or you can put them also in a little gift set that you put together. This is a really nice gift set because whomever you give it to, they can try to see which is the mascara that they mostly like and then go purchase the full-size mascara. And for a couple of dollars, this is a really nice gift set. And here are more gift sets and also stocking stuffers that are available in your local stores. Okay, so now if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started with these DIYs. I can't wait to show you. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, for the first DIY, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree snowman mug. Okay, since this looked like a snowman, I wanted to change up this mug to make it look like very girlish with long lashes. So I started to make the eyes a little bit bigger with a black permanent marker, and then I added some lashes. And this is how this simple look looks. I did end up changing the eyes. And then the next thing that I did is I connected those dots to make one big smile, and again using my black permanent marker. If you decide to do this project and you like the way the eyes look this way, you can create them this way. But I ended up changing it to look like this. I wanted my eyes to be just a little bit more dramatic, and that's why I ended up changing the eyes to my cup here. And then the other thing that I did is I painted the nose with some white acrylic paint. And then to make the eyes look a little bit more real, I added some white specks to the eyes. And now it becomes a very nice little gift set just by adding some lip products or anything that you'd like to put in there. For the next DIYs, I'm going to be using this round mirror that says, "Be your own kind of beautiful." This is something new at Dollar Tree, and I really love that gold rim around the mirror. One 8x10 photo frame with a gold frame, one silver mirror frame, and these tend to be bigger than the ones that have the black frame. Some gold spray paint from Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover. a clear organizer with a lid, and this is by Essentials from Dollar Tree, a ceramic white plate from Dollar Tree, and this has a square shape with the rounded corners. And I'll also be using the matching bowl. And this beautiful candle stand, it's in silver, but I am gonna spray paint it gold. And also this trinket from Dollar Tree, and a glass tea light cup, and one glass jar with a lid. Some perlite stickers from Wrought, and some pearls from the Floral Garden collection. Okay, before I start these projects, I'm gonna spray paint these items in the color gold. Okay, I'm gonna start by removing the mirror out of this silver mirror frame. And then from the picture frame, I'm gonna take everything out so that I can put my mirror in there as if it were a picture. The picture frame came with these foam little strips, and what I'm gonna do now is add some hot glue along the edge of the mirror, and then I'm gonna place those foams over it to keep the mirror in place. Next, I'm gonna add the cardboard back into the picture frame. Next, I'm gonna hot glue this little storage box onto the bottom picture frame. Next, I'm gonna be adding the mirror to the frame just like this. But first, I'm gonna add some E6000 to the back side. That way it can have a permanent hold. And I've added some weight on it, and I'm gonna let this dry for a few hours. Next, I'm gonna hot glue 3 little pearls to the lid. And this is how the lid turned out with the pearls. And here now you have a really nice mirrored little trinket box. I think this would look so beautiful in any vanity. In the little storage box, you can store your lipsticks or some jewelry. It just really depends on you, but this is beautiful. For this DIY, I'm gonna put together a 2-tier tray that's gonna look very chic and elegant. I'm gonna start by adding some E6000 to the bottom of this candle stand, and then I'm gonna place it in the center of the plate. Next, I'm gonna add some more E6000 to the top of the candle stand, and then I'm gonna place my bowl on top of it. Next, I'm gonna add some more E6000 to my glass tea light cup, and I'm gonna be adding it to the top rim, and I'm gonna be placing it in the center of the bowl. And then lastly, I'll be adding some more E6000 to the bottom of my gold trinket, and then lastly, I'll be placing that on top of the gold tea light cup. Now I'm gonna let these dry for 24 hours. Oh my goodness, and here you have this beautiful 2-tier tray. I'm absolutely in love with this. Now this, you can put it on your vanity and put your makeup or really anything that you'd like, but I think it looks so elegant that it would look really nice on a vanity. This would be a great gift by just adding some makeup and then just wrapping it and putting a bow up at the top. I think any girl would really love this. Now for this last DIY, all I'm gonna do is add one of those pearls to this lid. Just with the gold color and this pearl, it makes this lid look really fancy. Now for this project, you can add all these pearls around the jar if you'd like, and this would make it look really nice and beautiful. But what I'm gonna do is just really add 3 strips around the center of the jar. Sometimes less is more, so in this case, I think that just 3 strips will do. And just to make this lid extra fancy, I added a strip of pearls around the rim. This jar turned out so fancy looking. I'm in love with it as well. You can put some makeup brushes in here, really anything you'd like, but since it is meant for a vanity, I think that you can just use it to store also some makeup, and this would also make for a nice Christmas gift because you can put some makeup in there or makeup brushes and then just wrap it up and put a bow up there, and it would be a really, really nice gift. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.